Trouble when it's in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, damn, I knew, no, I never knew. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
So I'm gonna be doing invisible locks today, and I started with Cuban twist by Equal here, and then I used Ghana twist in 1B, the afro twist bulk. You're gonna need the crochet needle. I used beeswax and shine and jam, and I did not blow dry my hair for this style because that takes too much time, and yeah, that's a catch up. I bought 2 packs of Ghana twist, and my parts were kind of big, so I only used 2 packs. So I'm just showing you how I part with a mirror. I don't need to part with a mirror because I guess I'm kind of used to parting my hair already, but I used the beeswax first just to try it out because I never used it before, and I used it to clean up my part. You see that it looks straight. At first I used the Cuban twist for the waku, but it was just a test. I had to do a couple just to try it out before I showed you what I was doing. This is me separating the Cuban twist, and then that's the first attempt. There are 3 methods for invisible locks, but I'm showing you the one that I found the easiest. So I split the section in 2 and then twist them individually, and then I use the crochet needle to pull through the Cuban twist. Then I just did the same thing on the other section.
I don't ever mean to contradict. If it's up, then it's up with us. See me on my niggas talk shit, but they never ever know us. I've been on top for a while.
And then I coiled each section in my hand and then start rope twisting. So the trick is to not let them unravel while you're twisting. You have to twist the actual hair. So you're twisting the 2 sections and then twisting them, if that makes sense. Then I just wrap the ends, and I'm going to do another close-up, so if you don't get it, just put it on. So I did 3 rows with Cuban twist, and then I decided to use the Ghana twist. So this is another close-up of the method that I'm using. So I split one section in 2. You can see me twisting one section, and then I'm going to twist the other one. Then I push the crochet needle at the root of the twist and then pull the hair through. So after you use the crochet needle to pull through the hair through each of the twists, if you know how to finger coil or palm roll, it's basically that method that you're doing with each section. So you can see me doing that with both sections after adding some beeswax at the root. This is how the Ghana twist looks outside of the pack. You basically take one piece and brush it out, and then you split it into just how I did with the Cuban twist. Just in case you need to see it again, I'm doing this section but it is sped up a bit. My hands started to get real tired, so this section looks untidy. So you should be twisting in the opposite direction that you palm rub the hair. That prevents it from untangling by itself.
Pray you get that job in time, that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece
so
of
I'm
mind.
showing you how I wrapped the ends again.
You gotta work from 3 to 9.
I don't know how to explain it. You just have to watch and see.
Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencil.
So after I finished, this whole style practically took about 2 hours. It was really quick. So I just did my edges and I decided to add little pieces of water wave from a last hairstyle that I did. You can probably tell that the water wave pieces are like brown and then the rest of my hair is 1B, but I think it still looked cute even though the color was different. I honestly just tied them around the locks. I didn't do anything else. I just tied them like shoelace. That's it.
I know you feel me.
Then I just added most to the curly pieces, and this is the finished product before I added the beads.
Girl, I know you feel me.
Then I added more mousse at the top, and then I used this, what do you name it? Curl Shine by Talia Wajid, and just spread it around my hair. And then this is me with makeup on, but it was the next day because I'm tired. I didn't come to bed. I couldn't do no final look, nothing. But that's it. Bye.